थैंक यू। जैसा कि आप सभी लोग जानते हैं कि ये हमारा लास्ट इवेंट है, रोटरी ईयर 2020-21 एज ए प्रेसिडेंट, दिस इज लास्ट इवेंट। और आपको ये भी याद होगा कि हमने सबसे पहले कहा था कि हम इस फेलोशिप में अंताक्षरी रखेंगे, तो नीरू जी ने कहा अंताक्षरी एक बार हो गई है, सो वी कैन थिंक ऑफ समथिंग एल्स। बाद में क्लब एडमिन टीम है और ग्रुप कैप्टन अश्विनी कुमार भाकू, उनके साथ बात किया, देन वी वेंट टू अनदर लेवल, वी थॉट ऑफ गोइंग इट्स म्यूजिकल इवनिंग। सो वो म्यूजिकल इवनिंग आपके लिए तैयार है। एक बार सभी लोगों का मैं स्वागत करता हूँ, सारे लोगों का, जितने भी पर्टिकुलरली जो आज जुड़ी हुए हैं उन लोगों का, सारी रिवर साइडर्स का। आपको ये जो प्रोग्राम है, ये म्यूजिकल इवनिंग है, ये 90 मिनट्स की है, तो मैं रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा बीच में आप स्विच नहीं करें, सब लोग जुड़े रहें। और प्रोग्राम एक से बढ़कर एक है, तो ज्यादा समय नहीं लेता हुआ मैं इनवाइट करना चाहूंगा ग्रुप कैप्टन अश्विनी कुमार भाकू को। ओवर टू अश्विनी जी।
Good evening, everybody. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Colonel Saab, Colonel Mishra ji, you have to make me co-host also. तभी मैं उसको.
You are already co-host.
No, I am not. वो निकल गया है.
Okay. Right now.
So we have this recorded songs from everybody, and also there are certain messages from all the not all, some of the members of the club for Colonel Mishra. And so what I am going to do is I am going to play them in sequence. There will be some songs, there will be some messages, and in that manner we will go towards the end, where I will then hand over back to Colonel Mishra. So as I am now the co-host, and I'm going to share my screen. Here we are. I hope everybody can see my screen. Just give a thumbs up, please. The screen visible?
Yes,
okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
All right. So here we are, just as we commence any evening, any musical evening or any other evening, we obviously start with a vandana or something like that. So here we have the first slide for that. Oh. Technical problems. And this is Dr. Matanhali, and Shivani ji is singing this vandana. Sorry, my fault.
मंगल साज सजे मंगल साज सजे.
After this lovely Mangan Gan, what I wanted to also convey to everybody is that in this 1 year, a lot of things have happened, and all the Rotarians are already aware of what all has happened. However, you cannot sort of stop Colonel Mishra from continuing to do even till the last day. And so today also on the 26th, there were 3 events which happened while the food was delivered to all of us at home. There are 3 events which took place, and I just want to run through these 3 events. There was dry ration distribution today. This was sponsored by Umesh ji, and this was to all the people who had said yes to vaccination and no to ventilator in association with CYDA. Here is Umesh ji.
इनको पकड़ा के यहाँ रख देते हैं. हाँ हाँ. दूसरा बच्चा आता है. नावाप्रमाणे कोण होणार. तुमचं नाव घेतलं का नाही. आता लाईनीत जे उभा आहे.
This is the next one. This was distribution of lunch packages to transgenders in the community, about 100 people, 200 of them, and was done by Rotarian Deepak Gupta ji. Anuradha ji had sponsored this. The photographs are there in front of you. And along with that, there was one more thing in the orphanages. COVID relief items were distributed. Again, this was with Deepak ji and the Riverside Association together, about 250 beneficiaries. You can see the children, and the best part here is, as Deepak ji himself could not go there, his son and daughter-in-law, they are the one who represented and did this beautiful task. And now we are to one of the new members and what he has to say about what happened in the last year.
Good morning, everyone. So I'd like to congratulate Colonel Mishra ji and the leadership team of Rotary Riverside for a fantastic year. After seeing all the projects and the great work done, 100% retention of all the members, and addition of new members and the growth, I feel it is an amazing feat that you have achieved, considering that it has been a very tough year financially and emotionally for everyone. And during such a year, you have achieved so much, though we were all not physically contactable. I've been here only for 3 to 4 months, but I already feel part of the group. And thank you for having me as part of your group. I hope to contribute in future. Also, I'd like to add that I've been working 25 plus years, and sometimes I think that I must slow down now. But when I see people like Colonel Mishra ji and a lot of seniors on this group and a lot of senior people who are part of my life, and then I tell myself, if they have not stopped, then who am I to stop? And that keeps me going every day. Once again, congratulations to the entire group and all the members of the club, because I believe it's teamwork and everyone would have contributed to the success of this year. And I also like to wish the incoming team all the very best. I'm thankful to be a very small part of the board of directors, and all the best to all of you. Have a nice day and wish you a super healthy and successful year ahead. Thank you.
After this message, now message is over, and we have somebody said, when we were initially talking, we are going to listen to we will have the opportunity to listen to Ganesh ji singing, and he is going to be singing, and the song he's going to sing is Abhi Na Jao Chhodkar. this year sung for Colonel Mishra. The original movie was Hum Dono with artists Muhammad Rafi and Asha Bhosle. Devanand and Sadhna were acting on this song. And here is the song.
कर्नल मिश्रा, गुड इवनिंग। हालांकि आप हमें छोड़ के तो नहीं जा रहे हैं, मगर फिर भी ये रोल छोड़ के जा रहे हैं, तो मैंने सोचा कि आपके लिए गाना गा ही दूं। तो हियर गोस। अभी न जाओ छोड़ कर के दिल अभी भरा नहीं, अभी न जाओ छोड़ कर के दिल अभी भरा नहीं, अभी अभी तो आए हो बहार बन के गाए हो, हवा जरा महक तो ले, नजर जरा बहक तो ले, ये शाम ढल तो ले जरा, ये शाम ढल तो ले जरा, ये दिल संभल तो ले जरा, मैं थोड़ी देर जी तो लूं, नशे की घूंट पी तो लूं, नशे की घूंट पी तो लूं, अभी तो कुछ कहा नहीं, अभी तो कुछ सुना नहीं, अभी ना जाओ छोड़ कर के दिल अभी भरा नहीं, अधूरी आस छोड़ के, अधूरी प्यास छोड़ के, जो रोज यूं ही जाओगे तो किस तरह निभाओगे, कि जिंदगी की राह में जवां दिलों के चाह में कोई मकाम आएगा, जो हूँ आजमाओगे, बुरा ना मानो बात का, ये प्यार है गिला नहीं, अभी ना जाओ छोड़ कर के दिल अभी भरा नहीं। So keep staying on in the club, Colonel Mishra, and keep delighting us forever.
Thank you, Ganesh ji. And totally for Colonel Mishra, this song. But I hope we can listen to more songs as the year progresses. We will obviously catch you. And here is a message from Pragya Mishra for Colonel Mishra, his daughter. Pragya, as you know, has been at the background of getting all the work as far as the YouTube and getting all this thing done onto that. But here is this message from Pragya for her dad.
Hi, Papa. Congratulations on completion of your presidentship with Rotary Club of Pune Riverside. Congrats to you and everyone in Rotary for having such a good year despite COVID. It's been unprecedented times, but you all powered through. So congratulations. I know how hard you've worked, how excited constantly you were, and I'm so proud of you. Yeah, this is a proud daughter. And you've spoken to me at length about your initiatives, and I've always just listened to you with awe. And I've just been very fortunate to at least have gotten to look at what Rotary Club does so closely through you, and I'm just very, very proud of all of you. So yeah, congratulations, and stay happy, stay excited.
Thank you, Pragya. I know you're at the background today also. Thank you very much for this, and thank you for all the work that you've done. And here we have the club secretary. How can we not listen to what the club secretary has to say? She has been an integral part of nearly everything that this whole year has gone through. What a fantastic team between Colonel Mishra and the club secretary, and actually the club admin, the entire club admin, but more so because she's the one who was lumped with all the work. So here is, where have I lost? I have an icon somewhere here, and I seem to have lost the icon somewhere. To, you know, when she's supposed to speak, here it is. Just a second, please.
Dedicated, meticulous, perfectionist, enthusiastic, proactive, principled. Just a few of the words that come to mind when I think of Colonel Mishra. I remember being apprehensive about taking up this post and you just refusing to take no for an answer. Today, I would like to thank you for encouraging me to do so and being so supportive throughout the year. It's been a great year working with you and the rest of the board. A lot of learning, fun, and growing. It's really commendable the way you have steered the club to achieving so much this year. I have a lot to say, but will sum it up with just a big, big thank you. Looking forward to your return.
Thank you, Pragya, for the message, and that's for Colonel Mishra, and we move forward. And here now we have another song by Uttamji. By the way, all the people who are singing here who are actually some of them who are non-members, they are all who have come during the year sometime or the other, and been part of the club. So only those people are rather part of the singing. So here is "Sau Baar Janam Lenge, Sau Baar Fana Honge." Artist was Muhammad Rafi, Ustadon ke Ustad, and here is the song.
सौ बार जन्म लेंगे, सौ बार फना होंगे, ऐ जाने वफा फिर भी हम तुम न जुदा होंगे, सौ बार जन्म लेंगे, सौ बार फना होंगे, ऐ जाने वफा फिर भी हम तुम न जुदा होंगे, सौ बार जन्म लेंगे, सौ बार फना होंगे। किस्मत हमें मिलने से रोकेगी भला कब तक, इन प्यार की राहों में भटकेगी वफा कब तक, कदमों के निशान खुद ही मंजिल का पता होंगे, सौ बार जन्म लेंगे, सौ बार फना होंगे। ये कैसी उदासी है जो हुस्न पे छाई है, हम दूर नहीं तुझसे कहने को जुदाई है, अरमान भरे दो दिल फिर एक जगह होंगे, सौ बार जन्म लेंगे, सौ बार फना होंगे। है जाने वफा फिर भी हम तुम न जुदा होंगे। 100 बार जन्म लेंगे, 100 बार फना होंगे।
I think we get the feeling when we hear this song. You know, if we were to think about Colonel Mishra and Rotary Club, think about this combination, think about this song. Maybe that's exactly what is the feeling which possibly Colonel Mishra is going through. And here is a message from Umesh ji. I am going to read out the message which he had sent. As a proud Riversider, I congratulate Colonel K.C. Mishra for providing all of us a wonderful year 2020-2021. I give him full credit for providing a great leadership to the club and keeping the spirit high throughout this year. I didn't know that a work environment could be this positive and encouraging for all of us. Despite pandemic and constraints for physical meets, the performance of the club has been impressive. There have been significant improvement in the ranking of the club on District 3131 website. I am very happy to note that Riverside has touched upon to the lives of about 1 lakh beneficiaries for its NGO activities. The Colonel has created many benchmarks and has raised the bar for overall performance of the club to another level. On behalf of the club, I extend my deep sense of gratitude to Colonel Mishra and to all his team members. I wish him all the best and for his resolution for a continued support to the club in the years to come. And now we are on to the next song. Aapke Haseen Rukh Pe Aaj Bada Noor Hai. Milan ji is singing this song once again for Colonel Mishra and for all of us.
This is a song that I am dedicating to Colonel Saab and Krishna ji. I know they like this song and that this song has a special meaning for them.
you very much, Kiranji. What a lovely, lovely song.
छान झालं.
You know, beautiful song.
माझं हे तर छानच झालं तुझं. हे आता हे कर आणि गाय.
And now we have a message from Ganesh ji for Colonel Mishra.
Dear Colonel Mishra, as you finish your term as president of the Rotary Club of Riverside, let me tell you how much we have all been inspired and admired your leadership. Your ability to bring an exciting program every Wednesday, your willingness to follow up at all levels, and your complete commitment to ensuring that all programs, social, cultural, and every other area was completely delivered is absolutely admirable. All the best to you, sir, and we are all with you in whatever else you do in your life.
Thank you. And here is another message, and this message is from Deepak ji. I am going to read this out. To dear Rotarian Colonel K.C. Mishra, VSM, you worked with confidence. The service you rendered to the society, we appreciate for your tenacity and perseverance. One has to sacrifice on personal time to accomplish his goals, which you did successfully. Your efforts to carry on the club meetings and participate in all the club activities online, in spite of not being in the country, is truly commendable. Lastly, I must say, in spite of COVID and difficult conditions, you distinguished yourself as a judicious steward of our organization and never flinched in the face of difficult decisions. On both professional and personal level, I am grateful for the time we spent together. Regard. And then we are to the songs again, and this is a beautiful way of a tribute which Zelamji has. It's a message and songs and a tribute, and I'm sure we are all going to really enjoy this. When I was, putting it into the video, I think I must have seen it so many times, but I have enjoyed it every time that I have seen this.
नमस्ते रोटरियंस, आज का ये वीडियो कर्नल साहब के नाम। ये वीडियो देख के आपको हंसना बिल्कुल अलाउड है, क्योंकि हमें पता है हम कितने बेसुरे गाते हैं, पर कर्नल साहब के लिए कुछ भी। कर्नल साहब जब प्रेसिडेंट बने, ऑफ कोर्स तहे दिल से I want to say thank you so much, Colonel Saab, because due to pandemic also Rotary spirit was alive, and we all Rotarians are thankful to steering the Rotary wheel gracefully and wonderfully. Thank you so much. तो चलो अभी प्रोग्राम के तरफ चलते हैं। मैंने कर्नल साहब के बारे में ये गानों में ऐसे सोचा है कि कर्नल साहब जब प्रेसिडेंट, रोटरी रिवरसाइड के प्रेसिडेंट बने, तो उन्होंने क्या सोचा होगा। तुम जो मिल गए हो, तुम जो मिल गए हो, तो ये लगता है कि जहाँ मिल गया, कि जहाँ मिल गया। फिर आ गई पैंडेमिक। तो पैंडेमिक में कर्नल साहब की इमीडिएट रिएक्शन क्या होगी? ये क्या हुआ, कैसे हुआ, कब हुआ, क्यों हुआ, जब हुआ तब हुआ, छोड़ो ये ना सोचो, ये क्या हुआ, कब हुआ, कैसे हुआ, क्यों हुआ, फिर आ गई जूम मीटिंग। सक्सेस ऑफ जूम मीटिंग पे उन्होंने और रादर सभी रोटरियंस ने कर्नल साहब को कैसे साथ दे दी। तुमने पुकारा और हम चले आए, तुमने पुकारा और हम चले आए, रोटरी हथेली पर ले आए, रोटरी हथेली पर ले आए, तुमने पुकारा और हम चले आए। फिर ये जूम मीटिंग बहुत ही सक्सेसफुल हो गई, बहुत ही अच्छे अच्छे स्पीकर्स आ गए। फिर कर्नल साहब ने क्या सोचा, उनके मन में क्या आया होगा। मैं से मीना से न साकी से, मैं से मीना से न साकी से, दिल बहलता है मेरा रोटरियन के आने से, दिल बहलता है मेरा रोटरियंस के आने से। एक स्पेशल गाना मुझे कर्नल साहब को डेडिकेट करना है। मैंने बहुत सारे वतन के गाने देखे बट द पिक्चराइजेशन इज़ डिफरेंट, तो मैं ये गाना डेडिकेट करना चाहती हूँ। वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम। सुजलम सुफलम सस्य श्यामलम, सुजलम सुफलम सस्य श्यामलम, मातरम वंदे मातरम। अभी तो जाने की बात आ गई, पूरा साल बहुत अच्छी तरह से चला गया, तो कर्नल साहब क्या गाते होंगे। अच्छा तो हम चलते हैं, अच्छा तो हम चलते हैं, फिर कब मिलोगे रोटरी मीटिंग में, वही जहाँ सभी आते जाते हैं, वही जहाँ सभी आते जाते हैं। अच्छा तो हम चलते हैं, फिर कब मिलोगे रोटरी मीटिंग में। अरे वाह, रोटरी मीटिंग में। अच्छा तो हम मिलते हैं, अच्छा तो हम मिलते हैं। धन्यवाद, थैंक यू।
Thank you, Ji. Thank you, Ji. What a lovely way to express the whole year. Nobody could have summarized it in this whole year better than this in all these songs. And here we have another song by Uttam Ji, and this is Hoton Se Cholo Tum. Originally was Jagjit Singh in Prem Geet, and here is the song for you.
मेरा गीत अमर कर दो, होठों से छू लो तुम, मेरा गीत अमर कर दो, बन जाओ गीत मेरे, मेरी प्रीत अमर कर दो, होठों से छू लो तुम, मेरा गीत अमर कर दो। ना उम्र की सीमा हो, ना जन्म का हो बंधन। जब प्यार करे कोई तो देखे केवल मन। नई रीत चला कर तुम ये रीत अमर कर दो। नई रीत चला कर तुम ये रीत अमर कर दो। आकाश का सूनापन मेरे तन्हा मन में। आकाश का सूनापन मेरे तन्हा मन में। पायल छनकाती आ जाओ जीवन में। सांसें देकर अपनी संगीत अमर कर दो। संगीत अमर कर दो। ये गीत अमर कर दो। जग ने छीना मुझसे मुझे जो भी लगा प्यारा। जग ने छीना मुझसे मुझे जो भी लगा प्यारा। सब जीता किए मुझसे मैं हरदम ही हारा। तुम हार के दिल अपना ये जीत अमर कर दो। तुम हार के दिल अपना ये जीत अमर कर दो। होठों से छू लो मेरा गीत अमर कर दो। बन जाओ गीत मेरे गीत अमर कर दो।
What a beautiful song. And here we have a song from one of our members. And this is so beautifully sung, Aaj Chal Ke Tujhe Main Leke Chalun, by Niruji. And here we have originally by Kishore Kumar and Dur Gagan Ki Chhao Mein. This is the movie from which it was. And today it is sung by Niruji. She's in Kana at present, but the song is here for all.
ये गाना मैंने इसलिए चुना है कि ये उन्हीं फीलिंग्स को शो करता है जिन फीलिंग्स के साथ कर्नल मिश्रा ने अपना प्रेसिडेंटशिप ईयर संभाला। आज चल के तुझे मैं लेके चलूं एक ऐसे गगन के तले, जहाँ गम भी ना हो आंसू भी ना हो, बस प्यार ही प्यार पले, एक ऐसे गगन के तले।
सूरज की पहली किरण से आशा का सवेरा जागे, सूरज की पहली किरण से आशा का सवेरा जागे, चंदा की किरण से धुलकर घनघोर अंधेरा भागे, चंदा की किरण से धुलकर घनघोर अंधेरा भागे, कभी धूप खिले कभी छाँव मिले, लंबी सी डगर न खले, जहाँ गम भी न हो आंसू भी न हो, बस प्यार ही प्यार पले, एक ऐसे गगन के तले। जहाँ दूर नजर दौड़ाए, आजाद गगन लहराए, जहाँ दूर नजर दौड़ाए, आजाद गगन लहराए, जहाँ रंग बिरंगे पंछी आशा का संदेशा लाए, जहाँ रंग बिरंगे पंछी आशा का संदेशा लाए, सपनों में पली हस्ती हो कली, जहाँ शाम सुहानी ढले, जहाँ गम भी न हो आंसू भी न हो, बस प्यार ही प्यार पले, आ चल के तुझे मैं लेके चलूं एक ऐसे गगन के तले, जहाँ गम भी न हो आंसू भी न हो, बस प्यार ही प्यार पले, एक ऐसे गगन के तले, एक ऐसे गगन के तले, एक ऐसे गगन के तले, एक ऐसे गगन के तले।
So beautifully sung and so appropriate. Colonel Mishra, this is totally for you, this song. So beautifully sung. And here is a message now from Colonel Saab's elder daughter for her father.
Hi Daddy, congratulations on completing the year at Rotary Club as a president. I'm so proud and so honored to call you my dad. There has never been a moment, from what I could tell, that Rotary wasn't part of our family, you know. It was kind of like your extension entire year, and I'm so happy to see you reach greater and greater heights. You inspire us to do things which I would have not thought of. I've never seen people doing that. So thank you for making us so proud. Thank you for making us so loved. I wish you more and more happiness, much more than you would ever ask for. Love you.
Such a beautiful message. And we have Sanjay Merchant ji, our made person here, and this is his message. Sanjay ji, are you here? And if you are here, would you?
But
would you?
Ashwini, no problem. You read it out.
All right. Okay. Okay.
You've been doing a wonderful job, so it's good enough.
I thought you would read it out, but it's okay. I'll do that. And here is his message. Well, what a Rotary year 2020-2021. When we elected Colonel Mishra as the president, we had very high expectations. And then came the pandemic, which took everyone. And I thought that this year, which shook everybody, and I thought that this year of his will be wasted. Such a dynamic person and taking over during COVID when nothing can be done. But lo and behold, he far exceeded whatever we had imagined. It's said that if you shoot for the stars, the minimum you can do is land on the moon. This man shot for Mars and way beyond the Milky Way and achieved a mammoth task at the drop of the hat. It was a pleasure to be with him all the way, right from Doctor's Day to Kargil Day, Teacher's Day, and the icing on the cake was Sanjeevni. What a concept! And mind you, all this with COVID being at your doorstep. Even when he went to US, he was wholehearted with us conducting each and every meeting. Can you imagine this man has not missed a single Wednesday and conducted more than 55 meetings, leave alone BOD and others. So with all my heartfelt gratitude, I would like to thank Colonel Sahab, as I fondly call him, and be with him all the time in the future. Hats off to a great man and a touching individual. What a lovely message for Colonel Mishra. And we are back to our songs. Gum hai kisi ke pyar, Gum hai kisi ke pyar mein, originally sung by Kishore Kumar, Lata Mangeshkar, Rampur Ka Lakshman. But today it is sung by our own Rotarians, Milanji and Sadhna ji. Here it is.
Sujata, it is not Sadhna.
Sorry ji.
प्यार में दिल सुबह शाम पर तुम्हें लिख नहीं पाऊं मैं उसका नाम हाय राम हाय
Thank you very much for the song, and very sorry for the wrong pronunciation of the name or wrong name being used. My apologies, please. And here we go on next. And here is a message from Vikramji.
Colonel Mishra, this year you did a fantastic job. I think this is one, in terms of programs and events, this is probably one of the best years that we've seen so far. And it was perfectly organized. You led from the front, and we could see that you put in your heart and soul into this. So we are very grateful. The club is very grateful. I am very grateful. Thank you so much.
Wonderful. And we have another song, and this is by Mukesh ji, originally Farida Khanun and the Monsoon Wedding, but Aaj Jaane Ki Zid Na Karo, but our own Mukesh ji is singing this song today.
आज जाने की जिद ना करो, आज जाने की जिद ना करो, यूं ही पहलू में बैठे रहो, यूं ही पहलू में बैठे रहो, आज जाने की जिद ना करो। हाय मर जाएंगे हम तो लुट जाएंगे, ऐसी बातें किया ना करो, आज जाने की जिद ना करो, आज जाने की जिद ना करो। तुम ही सोचो ज़रा क्यों ना रोके तुम्हें, जान जाती है जब उठ के जाते हो तुम, जान जाती है जब उठ के जाते हो तुम, तुमको अपनी कसम जाने जा, बात इतनी मेरी मान लो, ओ आज जाने की जिद ना करो, आज जाने की जिद ना करो। वक्त की कैद में जिंदगी है मगर, वक्त की कैद में जिंदगी है मगर, चंद घड़ियाँ यही हैं जो आज़ाद हैं, चंद घड़ियाँ यही हैं जो आज़ाद हैं, इनको खोकर कहीं जाने जा, उम्र भर ना तरसते रहो, आज जाने की जिद ना करो, आज जाने की जिद ना करो। कितना मासूम रंगीन है ये समा, हुस्न और इश्क की आज महराज है, हुस्न और इश्क की आज महराज है, कल की किसको खबर जाने जा, रोक लो आज की रात को, आज जाने की जिद ना करो, आज जाने की जिद ना करो, आज जाने की जिद ना करो।
This is a very difficult song to sing and so beautifully done. Mukesh ji, thank you very much for sending this song in. And here we have a message from Mrs. Mishra. A family we all know is obviously very, very important. And here is her message for her husband.
मिले, हम दोनों बहुत खुश थे। उसके बाद जब से आपने प्रेसिडेंटशिप संभाली है, तब से दूसरी ही चीज़ देखा मैं, काम काम और सिर्फ काम। चाहे वो रोटरी के किसी प्रोजेक्ट का पर काम हो, किसी के साथ काम हो, अकेले का काम हो, सुबह हो, शाम हो, रात हो, काम काम और काम। रोटरी को आपने जिया है, रोटरी को आपने महसूस किया है, रोटरी को आपने अंदर समा लिया, ऐसा देखा है। घर हो, बच्चों से बात हो रही है तो रोटरी की बात, मेरे से बात हो रही है तो रोटरी की बात, चिकू से बात हो रही है तो रोटरी की बात, अपना ग्रैंडसन खिला रहे हैं तो रोटरी की बात करते हुए खिला रहे हैं, ये मैंने देखा। तो मुझे अच्छा लगा, बहुत ही अच्छा लगा। भगवान आपको हमेशा खुश रखें, स्वस्थ रखें। मुझे बहुत गर्व है आप पे, बहुत प्राउड फील करती हूँ कि आप हमारी लाइफ में हैं। भगवान हमेशा आपको बनाए रखें, दीर्घायु रखें, स्वस्थ करें। Love you so much.
A beautiful message. And here we go ahead. And now we have heard Pradeep ji many times in the club. And here is a combination of songs which he has sent for Kanal Mishra, dedicated to Kanal Mishra.
चंदन सा बदन, चंचल चितवन, धीरे से तेरा ये मुस्काना। चंदन सा बदन, चंचल चितवन, धीरे से तेरा ये मुस्काना। मुझे दोष न देना जग वालों, मुझे दोष न देना जग वालों, हो जाऊं अगर मैं दीवाना। चंदन सा बदन, चंचल चितवन।
कभी कभी मेरे दिल में ख्याल आता है, कभी कभी मेरे दिल में ख्याल आता है कि जिंदगी तेरी जुल्फों की नरम छाँव में गुजरने पाती तो शादाब हो भी सकती थी। ये तीरगी जो मेरी ज़ीस्त का मुकद्दर है, तेरी नज़र की शुआओं में खो भी सकती थी। मैं जानता हूँ मेरी हमनफस, मगर यूं ही कभी कभी मेरे दिल में ख्याल आता है, कभी कभी मेरे दिल में ख्याल आता है।
कभी कभी मेरे दिल में ख्याल आता है, कभी कभी मेरे दिल में ख्याल आता है कि जैसे तुझको बनाया गया है मेरे लिए, कि जैसे तुझको बनाया गया है मेरे लिए। तू अब के पहले सितारों में बस रही थी कहीं, तू अब के पहले सितारों में बस रही थी कहीं। तुझे ज़मीं पे बुलाया गया है मेरे लिए, तुझे ज़मीं पे बुलाया गया है मेरे लिए। कभी कभी मेरे
ख्याल आता है। आंसू भरी है ये जीवन की राहें, कोई उनसे कह दे हमें भूल जाए। आंसू भरी है ये जीवन की राहें, कोई उनसे कह दे हमें भूल जाए। आंसू भरी है कहीं दूर जब दिन ढल जाए, सांझ की दुल्हन बदन चुराए चुपके से आए। मेरे ख्यालों के आंगन में कोई सपनों के दीप जलाए, दीप जलाए। कहीं दूर जब दिन ढल जाए, सांझ की दुल्हन बदन चुराए चुपके से आए। मेरे ख्यालों के आंगन में कोई सपनों के दीप जलाए, दीप जलाए। कहीं दूर जब दिन ढल जाए, कहीं दूर जब दिन ढल जाए। भूली हुई यादें मुझे इतना ना सताओ, भूली हुई यादें मुझे इतना ना सताओ। अब चैन से रहने दो, अब चैन से रहने दो, मेरे पास ना आओ। भूली हुई यादें मुझे इतना ना सताओ। अब चैन से रहने दो, मेरे पास ना आओ। भूली हुई यादें। चांद सी महबूबा हो मेरी कब, चांद सी महबूबा हो मेरी कब, ऐसा मैंने सोचा था। चांद सी महबूबा हो मेरी कब, ऐसा मैंने सोचा था। हाँ तुम बिल्कुल वैसी हो जैसा मैंने सोचा था। चांद सी महबूबा हो मेरी कब, ऐसा मैंने सोचा था। हाँ तुम बिल्कुल वैसी हो जैसा मैंने सोचा था।
What lovely numbers, beautiful songs by Pradeep ji, and a big thank you to him for sending these. And now, I have a song which is, I have not sung it, I can't sing. So I have picked it up. But, like Zelam ji said, what thoughts came to her mind when she thinks about how Colonel Saab led the organization. So now that he is separating from the organization, here is something which which I thought about. And this is dedicated to Colonel Saab. If you just close your eyes for a second and think, there are two people in this song. One is obviously the hero and the second is the heroine. So to me, the hero is Colonel Saab, and the heroine is obviously the club, Riverside. And now close your eyes and see how the hero is singing for his heroine or for his beloved.
लाई भी न गई तन भाई भी न गई, लाई भी न गई तन भाई भी न गई, मैंने मारदा जहान में तू सारा, तेरी मेरी ऊं टूट गई सोनिए, जिवें टुटिया अंबर तो तारा, तेरी मेरी ऊं टूट गई सोनिए, जिवें टुटिया अंबर तो तारा, लाई भी न गई तन भाई भी न गई, लाई भी न गई तन भाई भी न गई। सोचिया नहीं सी मेरा प्यार भूल जाएंगी, ओ सोचिया नहीं सी मेरा प्यार भूल जाएंगी, इन्हें चिट्टे किते होए करार भूल जाएंगी, करार भूल जाएंगी, दिल मिल के बिछड़ गया यारा, तेरी मेरी ऊं टूट गई सोनिए, जिवें टुटिया अंबर तो तारा, तेरी मेरी ऊं टूट गई सोनिए, जिवें टुटिया अंबर तो तारा, लाई भी न गई तन भाई भी न गई, लाई भी न गई तन भाई भी न गई। सच्चा रब रखा मुंह मोड़ जान वालिए, सच्चा रब रखा मुंह मोड़ जान वालिए, दिल लेके मेरा दिल तोड़ जान वालिए, तोड़ जान वालिए, हाय दिल टूटिया न जुड़े दोबारा, तेरी मेरी ऊं टूट गई सोनिए, जिवें टुटिया अंबर तो तारा, तेरी मेरी ऊं टूट गई सोनिए, जिवें टुटिया अंबर तो तारा, लाई भी न गई तन भाई भी न गई, लाई न गई ते निभाई भी न गई ते निभाई भी न गई मैंने मारता जहान मैनू सारा तेरी मेरी ओं टुट गई सोनिए जिवें टुटिया अंबर तो तारा हाय तेरी मेरी ओं टुट गई सोनिए जिवें टुटिया अंबर तो तारा
Every separation is painful. I selected this song because, like Mrs. Mishra also said, Colonel Saab had given his all during the last 1 year to Riverside. He actually was breathing and living Riverside. So now that he's stepping down and he's handing over, but there is a separation of sorts, though he's still part of the club. And that's the feeling which was depicted here. Now we are coming to the end of the program. And now at the end, I would now request Colonel Saab to say a few words before we formally close the program at this. So I am going to hand over to Colonel Saab, but I will come back after his talk.
Thank you, Asuni. In fact, it's great, and I must compliment you for this, composition, choreography, and conducting the way you have. Very good morning, very good evening. Sorry, it is morning here, so it is coming out. So it is very good evening to all my Riversiders, aunts who have joined today. I don't know from where to start and where to end. I am totally speechless. But since Brother Soniji has asked me to say a few words, so I should not miss my feeling. So I have prepared a small note. Please allow me to read that so that I do justice. But before that, I would like to say two things. One is what have been said through songs, through messages, and through so many things. I'm really overwhelmed, and I have no words. And I just say I am actually indebted for throughout my life for each one, all the Riversiders, all the aunts who have joined today and who have even not joined today. So I begin with my speech. Here it is. Dear Riversiders, today I address all the Rotarians and especially the aunts who have joined today's fellowship. This is an emotional moment for me as I speak to you for the last time as President of Rotary Club of Pune Riverside. First and foremost, I must say that this evening has overwhelmed me. About a month back, when I started thinking about this fellowship, I discussed the issue with Team Club Admin. When I say Team Club Admin, here I would like to mention, many people may not be knowing, but this is one build-up which is a new thing which helped me a lot. The Team Admin means Secretary Prerna Gaikwad, Club Admin and Director Sanjay Merchant, Kiran Grewal, District PR and PR and Relations, Deepak Gupta, to whom we say with a lot of love, DG, and not the last but not the least, you are hearing Group Captain Ashwini Kumar Bhaku. You may be surprised, but when he was not Rotarian also, he was part of because our relation has been something at different level. So I start here again with the team club admin, thanking, and also Brother Aswini club that the club admin as usual extended their wholehearted support, and Brother Aswani decided to take charge to conceive and execute the fellowship. This fellowship today has become successful due to your gracious presence and the behind the scene work done by team club admin and Brother Aswani. So thank you very much to all of you for this. At the evening unfolded, the love and affection of all of you was showered on me through your kind messages, videos, songs, thoughts, and jokes. I have absolutely no words to thank you for this wonderful gift of love and affection. As you are all aware, this year has been full of challenges. The first phase of the pandemic jolted us physically, emotionally, and economically, but could not stop our spirit. We paused, reinvented, and started on a new adventure. Despite adverse conditions, we could do 125 plus meetings, projects, an outlay of nearly 70 lakhs, touching more than 1 lakh lives as a beneficiary. This was possible due to the generous financial, emotional, knowledge, and administrative support from the team members and ons. I would be amiss if I did not mention. In fact, I must say special mention to Niruji for her generous support, financial support, and everything. Umesh ji, Prerna, Ganesh ji, Deepak bhai, Sanjay bhai, Anuradha ji, Kiran, Vikram ji, Sandeep bhai, Ruchin, Rakesh bhai, Bharat bhai, Mukesh ji, Milin ji, Jhelam, and so on. If I have missed out any name, then please pardon me. As a part of moment, I am so completely overwhelmed with emotion. It would be only appropriate to thank the team club admin, entire board, honorable member advisory board, and also the support I received from DG and AG. I will take this opportunity to say special thanks to our club admin team. The name I take, Prerna Gaikwad, Secretary, Rotary Club Pune Riverside. When we joined the training, I was repeatedly told, the Secretary and President, this is the Jodi, which is Jodi Kamal ki, and they are the one who takes the charge and they make the year successful. I must say with proud, if I say Prerna has done so things, so there is one thing that every determination is negation, I don't negate, but I must say, in her role, she excelled and did whatsoever was possible. Thank you, Prerna, for your uninterrupted support, cooperation. Sanjay bhai, club admin and director program. Throughout the year, right from May, I must say that I'm talking about May 20. I'm not talking about May 21. And even when his daughter was going to be married during that time, whole year on the basis of 24/7, he was with us. So your support is incredible. Thank you very much, Sanjay bhai. Deepak bhai, even in pandemic, when there was certain things to be done on ground, he was the one always there. Whether it is for COVID relief items distribution or whatsoever is there. So thank you very much for being with us as a part of club admin team. The name which I am going to take, those very silent but very innovative, Kiran Grewal. She was a part of the team club admin, and behind the support which whole year you have seen the creatives and all those things that has been done by her very silently, but very, I must say, very proactively. And thank you, Kiran, for your support. And last but not least, as I told you, our association with Aswani ji is not very old, but 5-6 years. And we are working on so many other organizations, and he is also senior vice president of the Uttar Bharati Sangh Pune. So from there, when I joined the when I took the charge of Rotary Club Pune Riverside, he used to be, I took him as because we are like a friend, we are like a brother, and so many times I had been seeking his advices. And here also it came, though he was not formally part of the club admin team, but thank you, Asani Bhai, being with me when you were not part of the Rotary. You extended the support as a speaker, as a in another role, and when you joined Rotary, part of the club admin team. Day in and day out, month in and month out, till year in. The line which I am going to say, I think I can say so many things, but line which I am going to say, 24/7 for everything, this team was available. Even sometime in night, when I used messages, I used to get the response from everyone. Their contribution are so immense and incredible that if I start talking individually about them, it is so much, simply I cannot say, as it will be endless. So just saying thank you to all of you. I would like to say I am indebted for lifelong, and it is going beyond boundaries. Thank you so very, very much once again, Prerna, Sanjay Bhai, Deepak Bhai, Kiran, Brother Ashwani ji, for everything you did, so dedicated, personalized, and with so much support and cooperation that this year could be so successful. Yes, it's not only, I'm not saying that all the Riversiders have done. Their contribution is immense, their contribution, their cooperation, their support, I have already said. So, but for you, this year would have not been so, which is today. So thank you very much. I also take this opportunity to mention the incredible support given by my wife, Krishna, daughter Yashasvi, Pragya, and son-in-law Abhishek. A special mention for Pragya, my daughter, for, see, in background from the day, from July onward, she has been an asset to me. What I was big zero. I was not knowing how to handle this, Zoom. What is there? How you go for recording? How align the meeting and all those things. So she taught me. She is my guru in that. She taught me how to handle all these things. And not only that, in background, week to week, month to month, until today. And today I am facing challenge of my laptop is not working, and she has in fact she has she is the hosting meeting from Chicago. So I'm very grateful, and she has been doing the proofreading of the messages which I was preparing, editing the message to be shared on Riverside groups, WhatsApp groups. Furthermore, moderating the titles, description, editing and uploading on YouTube channel and Facebook for Rotary Club of Pune Riverside flawlessly over the whole year. Beta Pragya, I am very grateful to you. I love you. Thank you very much. At this moment, I am reminded of the words, Akela chala tha main. Akela chala tha main, log jurte chale gaye aur kanwa banta chala gaya. This was the journey. Dear friends, I am indebted to all of you for electing me and entrusting me as the President, Rotary Club Pune Riverside for the year 2020-21. This year has added a new glorious chapter to the book of my life, and this is all because of the trust, support, and love that I have received from all of you. I am now handing over the baton in a few days, and I am certain that the glorious journey of Rotary Club Pune Riverside will continue. I am handing the over baton to Rakesh Kumar Elan, able and dynamic person, and his team. I will continue to wholeheartedly support the incoming president and team in all their endeavors. Ladies and gentlemen, I close this address. Again, if I have not mentioned to anyone, please pardon me for that. But one thing is sure, all 35 Riversiders are in my heart. All the aunts, I have very high regard and respect.
Sumona, Smita, Priya.
So I close this. So once again, conveying my deepest gratitude to all Riversiders and aunts for their love and affection. Thank you very much. Jai Hind, Jai Hind. Over to Ashwini Babu.
Thank you, Colonel Mishra. And I'm going to stop sharing the screen. So we are all back. And before we anything else, may I request everybody to please put on their cameras if possible. Everybody, please put on their cameras. And also, please unmute yourself for a few minutes. Please unmute yourself. All of you, please unmute yourself and please put on your cameras. We would like, and Prerna, I would request you to take a photograph once all the cameras are on, please.
Yes, sir.
Please unmute yourself. There are some people who are still muted. Please unmute yourself. We are at the end of the program, so at the end of the program, all I would request is to all of us to get together and give a big thank you to all the artists, all the singers who have, sent in their songs today and who have participated in this. And also to Colonel Mishra, a big thank you and a big hand, please. That is why you have been unmuted. Please do that for me. Thank you very much. And now we are at the end of the program. Over to Colonel Mishra for closing it formally.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Hold on, Colonel Mishra. I had requested Vikramji earlier in one of the messages that we cannot still do without the message without the thought for the day.
There are two things: joke of the day and thought of the week.
So we are not going to let that go. Vikramji, over to you for thought of the day.
But I think you need to mute yourselves because there's lots of background noise.
Yes, everybody, please mute yourself again.
Yes, that's it.
So, Colonel Mishra, this has been a great year. In a year of adversity.
मोनिका उसको बार-बार बोल रही थी यार थोड़ा म्यूजिक कम कर दे.
Thank you, Colonel Mishra. This was a year of adversity, and you crossed every bridge that you came across because you built them. You went ahead and built relationships. You created relationships where they didn't exist, and to paraphrase, आजकल जो हम पिछले 3-4 साल से सुन रहे थे हमारे देश में कि अच्छे दिन आएंगे, मगर आपने तो रिवरसाइड के लिए अच्छे दिन ला ही दिए. So here's to you, Mr. President. Thank you very much for a great year. All the best.
All right, Colonel Mishra, over to you, and with you now.
संदीप का जोक बाकी है.
Sandeep ji is missing. He's not unmuting himself today.
He's there.
Yeah.
There he is.
मैं क्या बोलूं? I'm overwhelmed with all the melody, all the excitement, all what we are talking of in achievement. I mean, sometimes you feel lost for words, and today is one of those moments. And Colonel Saab, his family, his Rotary family, extended family, everybody, and my compliments to them. Nobody could have done it better. Nobody could have done it better than what Colonel Saab has done. So it's fantastic. Now this is, because so many people are speaking today, so I got reminded of something which I've shared earlier, but I think this is a great occasion to share that again. There was this person who thought he was a great speaker. And fortunately for him, he was in a position in his organization where he could get to speak every single day. And once in a while, just to impress his wife, he would call her over and say, okay, come and listen to my speech. And it went on and went on and went on. And one day, there was a time for his retirement. So everybody was present, including his wife. And after his speech, with tears in his eyes, he said, gentlemen and ladies, this is the last time I'll be speaking to you. And it was great, spending time with you and speaking to you and sharing thoughts and ideas with you. Suddenly the wife got up and she said, on this occasion, I've got a gift for you. And she came over and handed over a box to the gentleman. And this man, because he was so overwhelmed and carried away in that moment, he said, may I at this moment open this and check this? I said, why not? Of course. So he opened and saw there was a lot of money in that, about 10,000 rupees. And there were 6 eggs. So he asked her, okay, I can understand the money, that this must be for me, but what about the eggs? She said, okay, whenever you delivered a bad speech, I put an egg into this. He said, okay, I mean, that's about 6 eggs, 40 years of service, not bad. And I'm sure the money is for whatever, I mean, this is a gift to me so that I can go and buy whatever I like. She said, not exactly that, whenever the eggs grew to be a dozen, I sold the eggs and put the money into the box. So that is what money is all about.
Thank you, Sandeep Bhai. I think this is the last fellowship and the meeting where I have been requesting you and Vikramji for thought of the week and joke of the week, and we have been actually getting lot of what to say, vitamins and that energetic tonics and all that. So thank you very much. I will like to thank all the Riversiders and Aunts once again, and very big thanks. In fact, I have no words. I'm totally speechless, I must say. The way you have supported, the way you have motivated, the way you have blessed for whole year, for so many things. So, but this is time to say, bye-bye. But there is one more last meeting, which is the BOD meeting, that is on 30th. So I will request all the board members to please join. That is, as usual, Wednesday, 30th, 8:30. We will finish in 1 hour. And that is the time. That is the time when I am going to hand over the baton to the able hands of Rotarian Rakesh Raran, President-elect. And I will, as it goes, the 59, 30th, I change my role as Director, Education, Skill Development and Special Project, and keep on doing to my ability best. So thank you very much once again. I think it is time. Allow me to close the meeting.
Sir, as a president, Riverside will always miss, and I can vouch for that and promise. That as a president, it's very difficult to find a better president.
Thank you for your encouraging words.
Lovely year, Colonel Saab. Wish you all the best.
Colonel ji.
We're looking forward to having.
जी रश्मि भाई फिर मुकेश भाई को मैं रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा. रश्मि भाई आप प्लीज बोल रहे थे कुछ.
ग्रैंड सैल्यूट दे रहे हैं आपको.
थैंक यू रश्मि भाई. मुकेश जी कुछ बोल रहे थे बिफोर आई इन द मीटिंग. मुकेश जी,
that we really had a great time. a million congratulations. You had a great year, fantastic presidency, and we're looking forward to having you back here in India soon. Wish you all the best.
Thank you very much.
Yes,
Thank you.
We're very envious that you're in the US while we are here, by the way.
I am enjoying the togetherness of my grandson. Every day, every morning we go to the beach.
The reason I'm envious is that I have not been able to meet my grandchildren for the last 1.5 years.
Yeah. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
I think the rest of the club will agree with me that you didn't do such a great job, because we want you to do it again and very soon.
Thank you. Thank you very much. So, anybody want to say something, or I should? I am allowed to close the meeting. So, should I close the meeting? Vikramji, I need your permission now. You are so. If I have your permission, that
Vikram
will
is
be the
saying,
role of the board.
let my mug finish before you close the meeting.
You gave the floor to Sandeep at the end, and he always steals the thunder. So I guess you should close it before he speaks again.
No problem. It's welcome. It's timely. It's timely.
I saw the label on your beer. That says thunder.
Okay. So we are. I am going to close the meeting with your permission. Thank you very much.
Ladies and gentlemen, to the president. All the best.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you. Need your blessing. Need your blessing. Thank you.